honorable panel of judges, and shining stars. Today I am going to start my speech with a little story of a boy who is living in a village where there are only flowering crops, where there are weeds. In February, in March month, he goes to school, having his bag on his shoulders, walking through his fields, seeing the sheep and guys grazing over there, and suddenly he reaches the cup of the river, from where he sees an amazing scene. Whatever he sees the water birds. He sees such kind of birds who have never come before. He sees them jumping in the water, catching the fish and eats them. That little boy was cheered, was charmed. He was surprised at what kind of scenes are present in his homeland. Mr. President, after 2 years, when the disputes take place, now there are no any more scenes are present over there. That little boy is now depressed that what happened to my homeland, what's going on, why this kind of beauty has been finished. Now, whenever he returned to his house, at sleep, at the time of going to bed, into his father's house, he asked only one question. My father, what happened to my homeland? My father, where these birds have gone? What's going on? Mr. President, the scene changed. We are moving to another situation. Now, if you will look at our country, we will be able to know that there are only terrorism. There's only terrorists are being imposed upon us. If you will talk about our educational institutes, you are familiar with the situation of our educational institutes. Mr. President, if you will talk about equality, we don't have, because nowadays everyone is saying that I am a Sindhi, everyone is saying that I am a Balochi, everyone is saying that I am a Saraiki, everyone is saying that I am a Punjabi. But I can say, you can say, we all can say proudly and loudly that we are Pakistani, we are Pakistani, we live as Pakistan, we will die as Pakistan. Mr. President, there are a lot of examples that can be given. We can make Pakistan stronger and strongest if we will love the pain instead of having lots of pain. If we will love the land fertile instead of playing the mobile. If we will love our goal instead of learning Sheila or Munni's role. Mr. President, we can bring the change in our country if we will follow the rules and regulations provided by Allama Iqbal, the rules and regulations provided by Qadi Azam Muhammad Rijina, the Islamic academic rules and regulations which are provided to us by Ahmad Raza, by Darul Uloom differences. Mr. President, nowadays I have told you the story, but I can't be able to finish it. Now I am going to finish it, Mr. President. That boy was depressed at where the birds have gone. Now he has got the answer that because of the weapons, because of the usage of weapons, that boy was depressed. If we can think now that due to the weapons, if the birds are not coming, then how are you expecting that the different countries, that the foreigners will come and consume and invest in our country? First of all, if you are expecting from them, you have to sum up these kind of situations, the deeper culture. Quotation that plant a green tea in your heart, plant a green tea in your heart, the singing bird will always come. Bring the peace and justice. I am sure that we will rock and rule the world. We will rock and rule the world. Thanks.